Gooroo was created with one mission: to make high-quality education accessible for all, and this initiative has never felt more urgent than now. Among the many adversities presented by the pandemic, the widening of the education gap is one of the most pressing issues. We started as Uber for Tutors, allowing students to find the right educator with just a few clicks. But with COVID-19 disrupting the education space, we quickly realized students needed more. Introducing Gooroo Courses, an on-demand streaming platform with thousands of hours of content led by experts from around the world. From baking to coding, guitar lessons to chemistry labs, Gooroo Courses has you covered. Follow along as our gurus reimagine education and bring exceptional instruction straight to your home with the option for private sessions. When we say accessible education for all, we mean it. Gooroo has already started donating course subscriptions to underserved communities, partnering with nonprofit organizations, and inspiring students to go the extra mile. Now more than ever, we need to show up for our students. Between Gooroo Courses and our personalized tutor matching service, Gooroo is your one-stop shop for cutting-edge educational technology. Gooroo, believe in your potential.